Let me buga one. Let me see you go lo lo lo. Let me see you go lo lo lo. Buga one. You can only buga one when you have the right property, when you deal with the right realtor. That is when you can buga. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Anderson, and today I'm welcoming you to another edition of Property Minds, where I introduce you to lovely property here, 5 bedroom detached duplex here in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos. It's a spacious 5 bedroom detached, all rooms ensuite and well ventilated, and and it's well designed with good headrooms and very spacious. You don't want to miss this. Let me just walk you around.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Thank you for taking time to watch my video of this lovely 5 bedroom detached duplex here in Lekki, Lagos. If this is what you want, kindly send me a message. My DM is open, or you can call me and let's discuss. I will really be glad to assist you and walk you through the process of acquiring that property. Until we meet again, my name is Anderson. Thank you.